So we are starting the chapter 8, how do organism reproduce. In that we will start today from page number 135, reproduction in the human beings. What are the changes occur in the human that today we are going to understand. Okay, so first is given. So far we reproduction in the human being. So far we have been discussing the varieties of modes that different species use for reproduction. Let's now look at the species that we are most interested in. That is the human beings only. Humans are a sexual mode of reproduction. How does this process work? Sexual means both the male and female organisms are needed. Let's begin at approximately unrelated points. All of us know that our bodies changes as we become older. जैसे हम बड़े होते जाते हैं वैसे हमारी बॉडी में चेंजेस होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. You have learned changes that take place in our body in the earlier classes. We notice that our height has increased continuously from early stage till now. जैसे हमारी बॉडी की हाइट जो होती है वो इंक्रीज होती जाती है. We acquire teeth. हमारे परमानेंट टीथ हो जाते हैं. We even lose the old so called milk teeth. पुराने जो मिल्क टीथ होते हैं उसको गवा देते हैं and we are acquiring the new ones, means we are going to get the new teeth. All of these are changes that can be grouped under the general process of a growth in which the body becomes larger, but in early teenager years a whole new set of changes occurs that cannot be explained simply as body enlargement. तो हम इसको simply define नहीं कर सकते कि कैसे होता है. Instead, the appearance of the body changes, proportional changes, new features appears, and so the new sensation will be there. Okay, so अब हम डिटेल में करेंगे कि कौन कौन से चेंजेस होते हैं बॉडी में. ओके, दैट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्टडी. अब ये प्रॉपरली पढ़ना है बराबर. रिमेनिंग वॉज द इंफॉर्मेशन ओनली. सो नाउ सम ऑफ दिस चेंजेस आर कॉमन टू बोथ. तो कौन से कॉमन है बोथ गर्ल्स और बॉयज में, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस. वी बिगिन टू नोटिस थिकर हेयर ग्रोथ in new parts of the body such as armpits and the genital area between the thighs, which can also become darker in color. So you will get unwanted hair from on that parts. Thinner hair can also appear on legs and the arms as well as on the face, right? So hair will start to grow up on your face also, then your legs and then your arms. The skin frequently becomes oily and we might begin to develop pimples. So आपकी skin oily होती जाएगी and you will also get the some pimples on your face. We begin to be conscious and aware of both our own bodies and those of others in new ways. हम अपने बारे में ज्यादा कॉन्शियस होते हैं कि हमें अच्छा दिखना है, वैसे कॉन्शियस होते हैं. And now we are going to aware of our changes in our body also. ओके, तो हमें पता चलता है कि हमारी बॉडी चेंजेस हो रही है. सो वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दिस थिंग्स. ओके, आई एम नॉट गोइंग इन अ डिटेल दैट यू नो. On the other hand, there are also changes taking place that are different between the boys and girls. जो पहले के जो changes थे, that those are similar in boys and girls. Now the changes that is different in case of boys and in case of girls. On the other hand, there are also changes taking place that are different between boys and girls. In girls, breast size begins to increase with darken of the skin of the nipple at the tip of the breast, that you know now. Okay, so that would be increased now onwards. Also, girls begin to menstruation at around this time. So here all the girls are there, so it will start to period time. Boys begin to have new thick hair growth on the face, जिसको बोलते हैं दाढ़ी आ जाना. And their voice begin to crop, वो थोड़ा मोटा हो जाना. Further, the penis occasionally begins to become enlarged and erect either in daydreams or at night. So that is changes in the genetically. All of these changes take place slowly over a period of months and years. वो ये एकदम नहीं होता है. That process occurs slowly. They do not happen all at the time or all at the same time in one person, not do they happen at an extent stage. वो एक मीन्स सडनली नहीं होता है, it is take some time to grown up and it is happen very slowly. In some people they happen early and quickly, while in others they can happen slowly. That is depend upon your food. कैसा कैसा फूड खाते हो उसके ऊपर भी थोड़ा बहुत वो डिपेंड होता है, एंड कौन से कैसे एनवायरमेंट में रहते हो. ओके. Also each changes does not become complete quickly either. मीन्स वो कम्प्लीटली खत्म हो जाए वैसा नहीं होता, वो धीरे धीरे ही स्टार्ट होता है एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू अप टू एंड. So, for example, thick hair on the face in boys appear as a few scattered hair first. तो पहले ये बॉयज की बात कर रहे हैं, वो दाढ़ी जब होती है तो वो पूरी कंप्लीटली नहीं होती है, बीच बीच में से हेयर आते हैं. स्कैटर में, स्कैटर का मतलब अलग अलग प्लेस पे से हेयर आते हैं, फिर वो दाढ़ी बनती है मतलब उनकी प्रॉपर वे में वैसा. So, for example, thick hair on the face in boys appear as a few scattered hairs first. तो वो अलग अलग hairs होते हैं and only slowly does the growth begins to become uniform. फिर धीरे धीरे वो uniformly growth होना start होता है. Even so, all these changes show difference between people, just as we have differently shaped noses or fingers. तो हमारा body structure, face structures are different, so it is depend upon that also. So also we have different patterns of hair growth or size and shape of wrist or penis. All of these changes are aspect of the sexual maturation of the body. So these all are depend upon the growth and the hormones. Just a minute now. Why does the body show sexual maturation at this age? We have talked about the need for specialized cell types in multicellular bodies to carry out specialized function. So आपको पता है कि to perform a specialized function we want specialized organ, right? The creation of germ cells to participate in sexual reproduction is another specialized function. So after certain age only these organs are needed, so that's why these organs are developed after some age. The creation of germ cells to participate in the sexual reproduction is another specialized function, as we have seen that plants develop special cells and tissue type to create them. Human beings also develop special tissue for this purpose. However, while the body of the individual organism is growing to its adult size, the resources of the body are mainly directed at achieving this growth. While that is happening, the maturation of the reproductive tissue is not likely to be a major priority. Thus, as the rate of general body growth begins to slow down, reproduction tissue begin to mature. This period during adolescence is called the puberty. So, as you know that after some standard you will get this menstruation cycle. Okay, so at that time you will get the puberty. उसके बाद what will happen, your breast size है whatever means is that reproductive cells will be going to be born or it will start to grow around. Okay, so how do we all the changes that we have talked about linked to the reproductive process? So all the process whatever is कुछ भी हो, जब चाहिए होता है मतलब सर्टन एज पे जो जो होता है वो स्टार्ट उसकी एज के बाद ही होता है, मतलब स्टार्टिंग में ये सब कुछ नहीं होता है. आपको पता होगा कि स्टार्टिंग में बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स आर लुकिंग सेम ओनली. 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 ईयर्स तक ऐसा होता है कि कभी कभी हम डिफ्रेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते कि बॉय है कि गर्ल है, बिकॉज देयर इज सेम. After some time we can understand that their voice may be changed, okay? Their hair will be longer like this. We must remember that the sexual mode of reproduction means that germ cells from two individuals have to join together. So दोनों के germ cells are there. They will Okay, net problem. So this can happen by the external release of germ cells from the bodies of individual or happen in the फ्लावरिंग प्लांट. जैसे बॉडीज प्लांट्स को फ्लावर्स होते हैं वैसे हमारी बॉडी में भी ग्रोथ होना स्टार्ट होता है. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड द एट्रैक्शन टाइप ऑफ. और इट कैन हैपन by two individuals joining their bodies together for internal transfer of germ cells for fusion as happen in many animals. जैसे कि जो स्टिग्मा होता है, एंथर होता है, that will go to the stigma. Like this way, this happen in the human beings. If animals are to participate in this process of mating, their state of sexual maturity must be identifiable by other individuals. Many changes during puberty, such as new hair growth pattern, are signals that sexual maturation is taking place. Okay, that is one indication, hair growth. On the other hand, the actual transfer of germ cells between the two people needs special organs for the sexual act, such as the penis when it is capable of becoming erect. In mammals such as humans, the body is carried in the mother's body for a long period. That is बोलते हैं 9th month के लिए मदर की बॉडी में वो होता है. And will be breastfed later on. Okay, that you know. The female reproductive organs and breast will need to mature to accommodate those possibility. उसके लिए आपको पता है कि breast का डेवलप होना जरूरी होता है. That let us look in the involved reproductive system. Okay, उसके बाद है male reproductive system and the female reproductive system. भले वो थोड़ा गंदा दिखे, but we have to do it. Okay. So the male reproductive system, so उसमें क्या होता है, two portions are required. One that is produce the germ cells and second that is portion that is deliver the germ cells, okay, to the site of fertilization. These are required. Second is that this formation of these germ cells or the sperms that is take place in the testes. तो वो कहाँ पे होता है, testis में germ cells produce होता है. Where is they located? They are located outside the abdominal cavity, that is in scrotum. क्यों होता है वो?
नेटवर्क इश्यू है मैम आपका. मैम आज क्लास कितने बजे एंड करोगे?
Okay. Next, the formation of germ cells or the sperms that is take place in the testes. Okay, and these are located outside the abdominal cavity in the scrotum. क्यों होता है ऐसा? Just because that require the lower body temperature than the normal body temperature. Okay. So this testis is going to secrete the testosterone. वो इसको generate करेगा. Okay, and in addition to regulate the formation of sperm, this testosterone that is secreted, that is changes in the appearance at the time of puberty in case of the boys. Okay, now next, the some sperm, वो जो sperms है वो form हो चुके हैं, तो वो कहाँ जाएंगे वो हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. The sperms that is formed are delivered through the vas deferentia, which unites with a tube coming from the urinary bladder. तो वो कहाँ पे जाएगा? These sperms are going to deliver through the vas deferentia. तो वो deliver होगा through the vas deferentia and which unites with a tube. तो वो join होके unite होके tube like structure है that is in the urinary bladder, उसमें से वो पास होने वाला है. उसके बाद वो कहाँ जाएगा? The urethra. Thus forms a common passage for both the sperms and the urine. Okay. Along the path of the vas deferentia, glands like the prostate and the seminal vesicle and their secretion, so that the sperms are now in a fluid which makes their transport easier, and these fluids are provides nutrition. One more time. देखो, that is passed through the both sperms and the urines. Now second, along the path of this vas deferens, जो sperms vas deferens से जाने वाले हैं उसके साथ क्या होता है, तो glands like the prostate and the seminal vesicle वो दोनों भी ऐड हो जाते हैं, किसके साथ, vas deferens के साथ ही। कौन कौन ऐड होने वाला है, प्रोस्टेट एंड द सेमिनल वेसिकल वो दोनों ऐड हो जाएंगे, एंड वो ऐड क्या करेंगे, उसके सिक्रेशंस भी ऐड करेंगे। एट दैट सिक्रेशन, तो वो जो स्पर्म्स है दैट विल कन्वर्ट इन द लिक्विड फॉर्म, सो दैट द स्पर्म्स आर नाउ इन द फ्लूइड फॉर्म, विच मेक्स द ट्रांसपोर्ट इजियर। अगर फ्लूइड होता है तो आपको पता है कि वो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में इजी हो जाता है, राइट। सो इट विल मेक दिस ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इजियर एंड दिस फ्लूइड्स ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड द न्यूट्रिशन, राइट। वो ये फ्लूइड बनाने में भी हेल्प करता है एंड न्यूट्रिशन भी ऐड करता है। These sperms are tiny bodies that consist of mainly genetic material and a long tail that helps them to move towards the female germ cell. Okay? अगर आप डायग्राम में देखोगे तो क्या होगा, देखो ये वास डेफिस कितना पतला होता है, ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है, राइट। व्हाट इट विल डू, इट इज सिक्रेटेड बाय द टेस्टिस दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन द स्क्रॉटम। ओके, उसके बाद वो आगे जाएगा एंड इट विल एडेड अप द प्रोस्टेट एंड द सेमिनल वेसिकल उसमें ज्वाइंट होगा। वो क्या करेगा, उसको लिक्विड फ्लूइड बनाने में हेल्प करेगा एंड इट विल एड द न्यूट्रिशन। ओके, सो फ्लूइड हो जाएगा, इसलिए क्या होगा, उसका जो वे होगा वो इजियर हो जाएगा, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का जो वे होगा इट विल बिकम द इजियर फॉर दैट। ओके, and it will consist mostly genetic material along with the long tail, and that will help to go into the female germ cells. So uske through it will go into the female germ cells. Little bit understood? बाकी का थोड़ा सा पढ़ लेना डिटेल में। ओके, थोड़ा डिटेल में नहीं है पर फिर भी पढ़ लेना एक बार। ओके, दिस मच वी विल स्टडी टुडे। ओके एवरीवन, नाउ गेट रेडी फॉर द क्लास।
क्लास एंड अप करो।
शायद मैंने आज ना सबको अनम्यूट
हाँ,
किया
वही।
है।